Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off games for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on my information authorizations, then you come to next window here and you just click here on system permissions, then you come to next window and you just click here on storage, and you come to storage window and you just go down here, then you come here to games, and it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on this color or this mark, and like you say color it's gone, that's mean games it's turned off for storage now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.